What's up, family? Welcome to Dean's Experience. Here we do simple food recipes and tips, food, gadget, and kitchen tool reviews, challenges, and more. Before we get started, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell on the bottom right of the screen and hit all. And if you have any suggestions, please leave me a comment in the section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. What's up, family? So for this 3-cheese vinaigrette Cornish chicken recipe, you're going to need Cornish chicken, 1 pepper, 1 onion, 4 garlic cloves, butter, salt, pepper, and you want to season at the taste. This is a very fun and simple recipe for small or large dinner parties. Without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to rinse and wash our chicken very thoroughly. Okay, I've seen a lot of people just take it out the package and want to cook with it. You don't want to do that. So we're going to clean these thoroughly. And I like to cut the tails off of them. That's optional if you want to. I just don't like the look on them. Cut those off. Alright. And we're going to go ahead and garnish the bottom of our pan with onion and pepper, just to enhance the flavor a little bit. If you guys want to know what I spray my pan with, I use, what is that? Avocado and coconut spray from Aldi's. Give me a like. Alright. Let's go ahead and put our Cornish hens or chickens on here. Alright, while they sit there, we're going to make our vinaigrette and butter dressing or glaze. You're going to use 1.5 to 2 sticks of butter, and you're going to pour in your 3-cheese vinaigrette. It's up to you. You can use more or less. Just a simple recipe. Give this a nice stir, nice mix. Again, if you want to add more butter or more 3-cheese vinaigrette, do as you wish. Alright, now we're going to add in our 4 garlic cloves and mix this in well. And that looks good to me, you guys. Quick facts. What is a Cornish hen or a Cornish chicken? The Cornish or Indian game is a breed of chicken from the country of Cornwall in England. Cornish chickens, as well as crosses of Cornishes, are the most used breed in the chicken meat industry. They are heavy, muscular birds that lay brown eggs. Pretty cool. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put a nice glaze on the bottom and on the top. And be generous with it. Yes. There's nothing wrong with painting. That's all it feels like. Now we're going to go ahead and turn these around. And we're going to do the same thing to this side as well. And also, when you're done with your marinade, please discard it. You don't want to use it. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. You can use whatever salt you like. And I'm going to get to each chicken and put salt over it nice and evenly. Now we're going to put on our black pepper and put this on evenly all around the chicken. I like to put a little dabs of marinade on it, and then I'm going to put a little bit more pepper. Okay, so you guys want to go ahead and you want to preheat your oven to 375 degrees. We're going to cook this to 45 minutes or up to an hour, depending on your oven. Okay, let's see what we're looking like. Yes, that looks beautiful. You guys did that. Okay, let's go ahead and see what it's tasting like. Please forgive me, you guys, I butchered this, but it's okay. We're gonna get the same results. Also, you guys can use the juices at the bottom as well. Don't forget that. All right, look at the steam. Let's have a taste. Ow! That was nice. Give me a like. Hey, you guys, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right. And hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 500 beans and to our next food adventure. Peace.